Dili Chini Ramchandra Assembly Constituency Bising Khobja Chini Paglavari ADC Village Committee Bising Khobja Chini Warengta Kamiwo Chini Kharaksa Chini Warrior Chini Tipra Mothani Shankra Chini Takuk Onil Leborma Bini Bo Strokngi Langma Chokha Bon Bagajang Joto leaders of Balan Khwnaja or Khawai Zarawajang Chini Joto leaders of Paibong Nukubasaka They Chini Binbus Kango Bini Zetiaro Dimi Bagajin Chini Joto leaders of Chino Village Committee Bising Chini leaders of Chaita Mumbai Singporno Juk teaching one Chubana Paleka Ozawa Tongchin Logi Chini blog ni Chini secretary Chini senior leader Chini Tipra Mothani Chini leaders Chini district secretary Chini white vice president Chiango Chini blog committee the Chini leaders of Tongazago Chini members of chairman of Tongo so Tino Magino Chini Lamsogo Joto Zahono Chini Jepru Chini Lukuru Zala Klaitongo Jepru Chini Lukurok Nankumitong held Nango Azaroche Joto leaders of Thai Joto leaders of Thai no Thai Kami Amagan Chubala Tongo they Chini Taku on in the Burmabi Nukungo was a pro Chini Katantona Pro Chini Dopan Bagachini Amchaini by Velakan Kambo Shakter Sam Khaina Sungbono Tipila Mujatonga Chin Bukhawa they been Poland Bagach Surinai then be Nukun Logibo since Salbrumno Jepru people the Apotok like fruits and leaders Joto Logi Basana.